Let's learn about finding reflections of points. Reflect the point -2, 4 across the x-axis and the y-axis. What are the new coordinates after each reflection? Let's get a visual here of our point. So we have our Cartesian plane, xy plane, right here, and we have the point -2, 4, x, y, -2, 1, 2, -2, and we're up +4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So right here is our first point, -2, 4. All right, we want to reflect this first across the x-axis. So we're reflecting across the x-axis, which is right here. It's being reflected down this way across the x-axis. So it's being flipped over the x-axis. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Right here, just like before, 4 units over, right? So 4 units down more, right? That reflection, and the x value actually stays the same. So we have a point right here, and that point is going to be a -2, -4. And this is after our x-axis reflection, reflecting again about the x-axis. Now, when we reflect it over the y-axis this way, our y value actually stays the same, but the x value is what changes. Since we're -2 here, we're going to be +2 here. So 1, 2, +2, right there. And then the y value stays the same. We have a point right here. And that point is a +2, -4. So after both reflections, our point is 2, -4. That's applying the x-axis and y-axis reflection. And if we just do the x-axis, we have -2 and a -4 right here. So there's the coordinates of each part after each reflection. And notice here, by doing both the x and y-axis reflection, we apply the opposite to each part of our coordinate points here. -2, +2, +4, -4. So something to keep in mind for the future. I hope you learned something here about finding reflections of points. And as always, thanks for watching.